This right here is one of my favorite trailers. This is a 27-foot Globetrotter. It's my favorite floor plan in the Airstream line. Before we go in though, it would be wrong of me not to show you the screen door, right? We make our own screen door because no one will build us a screen door that looks quite like that, right? And this screen door we've been using forever and ever. When you take the door, ready for takeoff, right? And then as you open it, it picks up the screen door. Pretty awesome. I guess I ought to show you the step while we're at it, right? You have to be a professional to do this. Just kidding. The banana step folds just like that, right? You release right here, and it comes up on in, right? You release down. If you're on low ground right here, you can leave it just at the one step, right? Or you got a little room to work with. You can peel it all the way down. Come on inside. Most campsites lay out the same way. You back into your camp space. Then 9 times out of 10, right? The lake or stream, mountain, river, ocean, wherever you're at, is out the back. And it may not look like much looking at the next trailer here and out at the street, right? But if you can put yourself in those spots, that's why this floor plan with the rear door entry has always been my favorite floor plan. Let me show you a few more things. You have all your cabinet space in here. Everything is curved. Here you have your microwave and your slide out pantry. They've thought of everything, right? 90 years of thinking of it all. Back here in the bedroom, and there's even another TV back here, thermostat control. You can see all the recessed air conditioning ducts, return here, all your lighting, speakers built in. So one of my favorite questions is, why should I buy an Airstream? Because they're cool and all the celebrities have them, right? For me, you know, the reason is a little more practical and a little more boring, but it's really resale value and the ability to tow great and safe, right? So many people are doing this with, you know, yourself and your loved ones, and you really want the ability to know that you're safe. And with an Airstream, you know, the low center of gravity, independent rubber torsion suspension system, and aerodynamics combined to make it the safest towing trailer ever built. And so I think when you combine those towing factors with the way it's built, that provides you that resale value, really makes it the logical purchase. Of course, the fun reasons are better, I understand. So regardless of your reason for buying an Airstream trailer, the point is that you do buy an Airstream trailer.